Are you experimenting with sous vide cooking? I have been, and I actually have been loving it. Here in my hand is a new Dreame vacuum sealer. One of the things that I really like about this VH20 is that it is completely portable, and Dreame does a great job with these things. So if we were in our RV, this is all it is. This is the bag, the sealer, all battery powered. All I got to do is put this in a little bin inside of RV, and I could do sous vide while we're RVing, camping out. That's pretty darn cool. But today we're going to do it in a full-blown kitchen. We're going to take this out, unbox it, prepare a steak, vacuum seal it, sous vide cook it, make sure it all works right, and let you know how the whole experience goes. What do you say we get to that right now? Let's see what's inside here. We got vacuum sealer right here. I'm going to make you wait a minute to see that. We've got the little clip for closing the vacuum bags, a USB-C to charge it, instruction manual. Whoa, it's got a lot of bags in here. It's got a lot of bags in here. Wow, these are large bags, small bags, more small bags, and yet again, more small bags. Listen, if you're me and you're just trying this out and starting this, this is quite a supply to start out with, because I got a big old steak. Here is the unit itself, pretty straightforward. You got your USB-C to charge on the back. Let's see if it's got some power. It's got power, ready to suck something up. Let's prep this, put it to work. Here we have one beautiful ribeye. This is going to be a masterpiece. The beauty of this is how simple it is and how perfectly it comes out every time. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure your steak is nice and dry. Then we're going to season it. I just go salt and pepper. Some people add a little bit of oil. Some people add some garlic powder. It's all totally up to you. I am just salt and pepper and it's ready to go. Flip it over. All right, let's give it a shot. What do you say? Okay, we got the bag. Put one big old delicious steak in the bag. Oh, that looks so good. We'll use the little enclosed tool to close up this bag. Ready? Here we go. That is perfectly sealed. Okay, ready? All we do is uncover the vacuum area, go like so, turn it on, oh, look at that, all automated, right? It just, when it knows it's reached the right suction, it turns itself off. 2 seconds it took for that to go. Here is the finished product. How cool is this? Let's cook this thing up, make sure it worked. All right, let's wrap this thing up. This Dreame was absolutely dreamy. Not as dreamy as this delicious steak looks in here, all sealed up using this Dreame. I've been checking on it. It has held up perfectly, and I'm so excited to pull it out of there, sear it, and eat it, and have a delicious steak, and it all comes back down to this working perfectly. If you are looking for a sealer, one of these battery powered ones that you can just put in the drawer and store super easy, you should definitely get yourself this Dreame. You cannot possibly go wrong with it. This is not sponsored. I got a whole bunch of these to test them out, and this is absolutely my favorite ones. So if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor. Use either the link on the screen or the one down in the description. It will keep me out of trouble with the beautiful Miss Nikki for buying a whole bunch of sealers. And this one is now my favorite. If you wouldn't mind, additionally, put in the comments, what are you using this for? Are you just preserving food, or you've turned into a sous vide steak nut like me? What are you gonna do with this thing? I'm really curious. Those conversations are always so fun to have in the comments. If I've added some value, remember to like the video, follow the channel. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.